Hello, today I'm going to show you how can custom fields be created in Microsoft Premium Plan. Okay, to do that, we should go to Add Column and New Field here. Okay, while we are in New Field, we can choose between 5 types: text, plain text, date, number, yes or no. So basically it's yes or no, or choice. For this purpose, I will create 2 of them. Let's say that in my project, I want to know the cost of task. So for that, I will use number. Okay. And I will say that I want to sum. Okay. Sum. And you will see how it works. And I will say task cost. And I will say create. Okay. It will immediately show up here. And I will add new one, which will say risk range, but for that I will say choice, and I will say risk, and I will say risk, okay, and I will say high, medium, low, okay, and I will create it. So, and I will do one more thing. I will go here, okay, and I will say, when I click here, right click, I will say insert task above, and I will say first premium plan public, okay, and I will now select those 3 tasks, okay, shift and down arrow, right click and make a subtask. So you will see that this one, first premium plan public, becomes now summary task. And I will take out quick look. So I will have here task cost and risk. For this, I will say task cost is 100, 200, 300. And you can see those are summed because I put in risk, okay, if I go to edit, you will see that, sorry, not in risk, in task cost, sorry, my mistake. If I go to edit, I put it sum. So I can here change the name or whatever. Task costs, let's say in US or in, let's say, dollars, okay, update. Or I can delete field. So I choose here, once again, edit, that it will be summed. So it is summed like 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 600. For this one, I will say, okay, this one is risk is high. Okay, for this risk is medium. For this risk is low. So you can add custom fields. I don't know exact numbers, but be aware, be sure that you will have enough space to create your own custom fields. You will not be able to exceed the limit. So this is basically how you can create those custom fields. Now, you see that I'm in my first premium plan public. If I go in first premium plan private and I want to, for example, add column, I will not see those custom fields. Or I am going to ERP project. You will see here that I have, okay, here risk, okay, and in this project, I have risk. If I go inside, edit, it is field yes or no. Is it risky or no? So what I want to show you, okay, let's say that this is yes, and let's say that this one is also yes. What I want to show you is here that for each and every project, when you create it, you will have to create your own custom fields. So if you want to have, for example, cost for every single project which are existing or in the future, you are not going to be able to do it. You should create it, those cost fields one by each project. Okay, it is a little bit annoying, but it is how it is. Okay, now we covered our basic fields in our last video, basic fields or default fields, and now I covered the custom fields, and that's it about field. Let's go on and see what's also included in Microsoft Project in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.